Hi everyone and welcome. Today I have Samsung Music Frame LS60D and I'm going to show you how to easily connect it with your Android phone. Let's get started. So at first we have to go into pairing mode by holding our finger on mic on and off button.
Ready to connect via Bluetooth.
Now we have to scroll down to our control panel, hold our finger on Bluetooth and click pair new device. As you can see, Music Frame. We have to click on it, allow and pair. That's it. Hope it helps you. Like and subscribe for these videos and goodbye.